Children, do you know? Only great children become great men. Let's know about such a child today. His name was Vallabh. He was very brave.
Once he had a boil on his armpit. It pained very much. His parents were worried about it. Somebody told them about a man. He treated such boil, but the process was very fearful. He touched the boil with hot iron.
Vallabh's parents took him there. Men examined the boy, but he refused to treat the boy. He said that the boy was too delicate. He could not bear the brandy.
The parents agreed, but the boy did not. He took the glowing rod, he branded the boil. Even man had closed his eyes to avoid the shock, but the boy did not say even ounce. This is surprise for all the people. They praised the boy's strong will.
Later on, the same boy became great man of India. He was great freedom fighter. After freedom, he united India. His birthday, 31st October, is observed as the Day of Unity.
He is called the Iron Man of India, but very few people know that the Iron Man of India was Iron Child also. Happy National Unity Day to all of you.